middle of the sea flow. Oh, don't know what the way that I'm supposed to go. I took a dive into the depths of the warm blue sea. Try to be free when nobody is watching me. Ha, so funny that I'm here today. Nobody's near today, no need to fear today. And if you had to ask, I couldn't tell you nothing today because everything just fell through.
Look at me dive, look at me fall alone. I can't fall, I'm drowning on my own. But when I try to float, I see the sky, I see another road. Yeah, I see another road.
Jump up so high, try to take a little step then fly, try to find a little bounce in the flow, see it all pass by as I go. But I ask myself, what is the catch? What is the reason that my clothes don't match? What's the reason that the sky's so blue? I'm feeling so hot, yet I'm feeling so cool. Slippery slope, losing hope on the down. The further I drop, the further that I just drown. I try to swim faster, but I can't turn around. Though it once was lost, can it never be found? Sink low in the middle of the sea flow. Oh, don't know what the way that I'm supposed to go. I took a dive into the depths of the warm blue sea. Try to be free when nobody is watching me. Yo, what up? Wowza G's. Yeah. Woo! Little baby cat, so high, so fly, floating through the air, no cares in the sky. And I wonder what the little kitty thinking in the brain, flying like a plane, like a speed train, going insane. Superman, super cat, super cool, super fast, super neat, super sweet. Everybody on the feet and dance like a Jake boogie boy, doing everything you can with a little joy.
Slow down and wait a sec. Everybody just take a breath. What? JK, cause we're doing fine. Let's join these kitties and begin to fly.
What up?
Haha, not much.
That's cool.
Okay, later.
Peace. Little baby man, so sweet, so blameless. All he ever wanna do is just be famous. But dad and the mommy always said to him, you and your dumb dreams might as well be dead to him. One day, when walking through the park, it was dark, but he heard a little voice in his heart. And he looked to the left and he saw with his own eyes a blue sky and cats beginning to fly.
Slow down and wait a sec. This time I'm gonna take a breath. What? I'm fine. It's time to join these kitties and begin to fly.
Little baby man, so sweet, so blameless. All he even wanna do is just be famous. Little baby man, so sweet, so blameless.